Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Facebook Messenger if it's not sending any messages. Now first of all, open your mobile phone and go to your Messenger application. As you can see, my Messenger is working fine and it is letting me send messages normally. But in your case, if it's not letting you send any messages, then you should check if your Wi-Fi is on the stable connection or not. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is on the stable connection. If it's not working for yours, then you should turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back again. If it's still not working, then you should reset your router. Second step is you should open your App Store or your Play Store and search in Messenger and click on the Messenger profile to see if it is on the latest update or not. If it's not updated, then you should update it to the latest version. Now, you should also check if your Facebook has enough storage by going to your settings on your mobile phone and search storage. By going to your storage, if it has enough storage, then it should send messages on Messenger. If it's not, then you should clear some storage on your mobile phone. If it's still not working, then you should uninstall your Messenger app and reinstall it by going to your App Store or your Play Store again and reinstalling back to your mobile phone. You should also check if the person you are replying to hasn't deactivated or deleted their account, or make sure you haven't blocked that person if you want to expect reply from there. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.